They won't deliver because the level of dishonesty is so high that I don't know how to describe it. Let me give you an example. Momo say adwuma ni ho. Usuba bone no sesa na adwuma be magana. Miti. Two young guys. My invested $7 million cash.
Wow.
$7 million cash into them. Na kwasi ebu o mabu no miti.
Wow.
Yes. You see, what they forgetting they say. Minya Jimmy for before I invested the 7 million, I have over 200 times that. And yes, sir.
Sure.
Who are minimum baby out will be a recommended and I don't spend that kind of money on you. Now I'm going to take my machines. If you watch this, let me say, measurement machines within this week. Now who show down. I'm measurement machines. Make get it straight. MPP and our politics. Into me hard-earned money. Nobody will take me for granted. My man show down to take my machines. Now we are moving to the some question yabuano na the politics beto na mo can say hunu I will not live to see say $7 million cash obu me kwase. You see na me give me machines wie me ba betena ha me building me build company din I'll call everywhere and destroy you and see if you get company to give you jobs because we're short-lived.
But honorable, is it because you trusted them so much and answered?
Yeah, nipa recommended nunti and a ma yes investment.
Okay.
But almost short-lived.
Sure.
So I'm saying that the level of dishonesty in this country. Emma emrantia mu nya dwuma ye. Emrantia ni mabawan omwanso are becoming so dishonest. Kronu amubo wadwuma mu. Kronu amubo wadwuma mu. We are, we say, come and fix the country. Let's all of us change our attitude. Honesty pays. Dishonesty will destroy you. Because this guy, our family machines, my friend will do the phone.
Oh,
I will punish him well.
all right.
Yeah, we're doing the phone.
Yeah.
$7 million Ghana phone a year. And so I'm assuming I can't quasi assembly people. Or no, see me make them. Now, who the hell is he? Mimi Granny.
Honorable, thank you very much. May I say, said your church and say,